Are you wondering how long does it take, how much time it takes, what it may look like, the design and the render and the budgeting process? I want to break it down for you right here. Look at this. This is a final render for a kitchen. We had to tweak it a couple of times, change the countertop, cabinet colors, layout, and a few things. We changed probably more than a few times. But finally we have the final result, and I love to share with you guys what it looked like. This is the kitchen, very functional island. Has this is a Sub-Zero's. It's the left I think is the freezer, the right is the refrigerator, and right here down below is the cooler drawer. So basically they're like a small fridge drawer. So you can put all the drinks in those drawers and keep them cold. You have right here a drawer microwave, nice custom hood. It's just a beautiful kitchen. Now look at it, the pantry area. This is what it looks like right here. Very functional. Really goes good with the kitchen. We pick up a little bit of the wall cabinets to put into the shelves. So I think this really looks nice. Now let me show you right on the entrance. The previous design we had was a bench right here. But the new design, no more bench. Move the wall over here. Move the wall a bit over here, and just create this more warming entrance. So I think this looks awesome. I would love to get your feedback. Now let's go to the laundry room. Laundry room. We had a cabinet for storage, but they didn't want no storage. Say, Freddy, I just want some more shelves to make it like open concept, to make it look beautiful. But let's put a pantry right here, full of pantry, so that way you can have enough space for vacuum, anything you guys want to put into the kitchen. I remember the kitchen is very big at the same time, but it's more like a storage pantry area. So for this case, we use some gray tile on the pantry and some black countertops. I think it looks just beautiful. I think the white and black is just absolutely gorgeous. Now the kitchen, there is a wooden floors, 7 inches planks. They're just beautiful. All right. I hope you guys love the final design of this kitchen. It took a lot of time, it took a lot of work, it takes a lot of back and forth. Just make sure we can really understand your needs, your expectations, so we can successfully build your kitchen. Alright, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for your support.